Hello guys, it's me Mixie. For today's video we will mix pastel peach enamel paint for kitchen cabinet and jolly orange latex for concrete wall. Pastel peach is soft and muted. It is often seen as sweet, pleasant, and friendly. It is symbolize vitality, energy, playfulness, and encouragement. Jolly orange is a mix of red and yellow. People describe the color as bright, happy, and joyful. Bright and vibrant jolly orange are fun colors that burst with usefulness, energy, and happiness. Before we start, please don't forget to click the subscribe button below to keep updated on our paint mixing tutorial videos. Thank you! Our client order 1 liter pastel peach, quick drying enamel for kitchen cabinet wood. Okay, let's put at least 70% of quick drying enamel white. Then let's drop quick drying enamel caterpillar yellow. And last, let's put quick drying enamel molly orange. Stir the paint well. The color is lighter. Let's add more enamel molly orange. Then let's add more enamel white. Yes, we got the pastel peach. Already, mixing accomplished. Our client order 1 gallon jolly orange for interior concrete wall. We prepare 3 color combinations. 35% of ochre color Hansa yellow, 35% of gloss latex yellow, and 30% gloss latex red. jolly orange color done. Mixing accomplished. Until next paint mixing tutorial videos. Thank you for watching.